Hello, I'm Dr. Joyce Govinden Soulange, Dean of the Faculty of Agriculture. Here, we don't just study agriculture, we grow the future.
Our students learn by doing right here on the farm, applying modern, climate-smart practices that feed our communities, protect our planet, and uphold our commitment to the Sustainable Development Goals. Our training programs have evolved from traditional undergraduate courses in agriculture and agronomy to more applied, specialized courses at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels. These include biotechnology, fisheries, food science, microbiology, agribusiness, agriculture with digital technologies, applied biochemistry, pharmaceutical biotechnology, and more. Our students also benefit from hands-on experience through 6-month internships in real-work environments. Additional opportunities are available through fully funded Erasmus student mobility programs at both undergraduate and postgraduate levels, enabling international exposure and collaboration. This is where science meets impact. In our labs, we create solutions. Better crops, better technologies, better food systems. Join the Faculty of Agriculture and build a career that feeds the world. Welcome to the Faculty of Agriculture.